viewers, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm starting by showing you my history. As you can see, that's my trade history for today before I withdrew all the money. That was the last trade on Euro JPY that I entered, and I withdrew all the money so that I can trade live with you guys. So let's now get ready to start trading using the King Binary Snapshots 7.1 indicator. All right, we are waiting for a signal. Good enough. We got a signal, and as you can see, that's the signal. So we are going to enter the trade on Euro JPY, and we have $701.01 in our account. So let's get ready to enter the buy trade. Okay, so we have entered the trade. As you can see, we got a buy signal and we entered the trade here at the beginning of the next new candle. We also got another sell signal here. We entered on the next candle and we won. We had a buy signal there and we entered there and we won. Here we had the sell signal and we entered on the next candle and we won. So here, yes, we had another buy signal and we won here. That's how you use the King Binary Snapshots 7.1 indicator. So let's wait and see the buy trade that we entered. Let's see if it's going to win or not. Yes, let's wait and see if it's going to win or not. Okay, and we just won the Euro JPY signal, and our account has more balance. So let's wait for the next new candle, for the next new signal. Okay, we just got a signal. Let's check. Here it is. As you can see, that's the signal on Euro GBP. Let's enter our amount. Okay, now let's get ready to enter the sell trade. Okay, we got a sell signal there and we entered the trade at the beginning of the next new candle. But before, we had a buy signal and it also won at the beginning of the next new candle. That's how you use this indicator, guys. Whenever you get a signal, make sure you enter the trade at the beginning of the next new candle. It's as simple as that. So far the trade is in red, but I have faith in this indicator that we are going to win this signal by the end of this trade. This is called the King Binary Snapshot 7.1, and let's wait and see if we are going to make profit. Okay, and we just made profit, guys, as you can see. So now let's wait for another signal. Today I'm just going to enter only 3 trades just for you guys to see how this indicator works. Okay, remember, my link is in the bio. If you want to talk to me, you can use the link in the bio. Okay, we just got a signal and let's open it and see. There is the buy signal on USD JPY. So let's enter our amount, 2,395.79 cents. Okay, So let's enter the trade at the beginning of the next new candle. Okay, so we just entered the trade. The trade is running. As you can see, we entered here. The trade is now running. Let's wait and see if we are going to make profit. When you are using this indicator, you don't need to use any human extra analysis. You just have to use the signals as they are. No need for any extra analysis. Okay, so you also don't need to avoid trading during news time. You can trade 24 hours a day. So it only works from Monday to Friday. You don't trade the OTC, which is the weekend market. Never use the weekend markets. So let's wait and see. Okay guys, we just made profit. We made profit. So we started with $700.01 and we managed to reach $4,432.21. That was our first trade on Euro JPY and we made profit. We had our second signal on Euro GBP and we made profit. And our last signal was on USD JPY and we made profit. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe on my channel so that you can see the next video and you can receive more tips on trading. This is the King Binary 7.1 indicator.